Are you having the late night munchies? Here's what will fix them. Going to bed earlier. Curbing the late night snacking can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Oftentimes, late night hunger actually means you're just tired. The truth is that often our late night hunger is simply a sign of fatigue. This means that the best solution is actually rest rather than that bag of chips you've got in front of you. So the next time you have a late night snack attack, send yourself to bed. Or you can have healthier snacks. But the best thing to do is to fix your sleep hygiene. Try this for 1 week and see how you feel. I'm confident you'll feel well rested, less bloated, have more energy throughout the whole day, and you'll no longer miss those late night snack fests. And if you do try this, be sure to let me know how it goes for you. Lastly, I'm hosting a masterclass on May 8th on how to cut your cravings for sugar and salt. In this masterclass, you'll learn on what the craving is and where it comes from besides having lack of sleep and or being sleep deprived. The differences between cravings for sugar and salt. The symptoms or what you feel with cravings, so you can notice the patterns on when you are going to have them, so you can finally cut your cravings and or even have less of it. So you can naturally cut those cravings and balance your hormones to be able to finally lose your first 2 pounds or even the 10 pounds plus you always wanted. And also, so you can be able to manage yourself and stop eating everything in sight like Pacman when the urge arises. And lastly, what is possible when you have less cravings and they are gone and you are able to manage it better. So, if you want to be part of this juicy, free masterclass, just DM me or comment the word down below, Cravings Masterclass.